back. Go all the way to the front. It is a volcano. Is there originally a volcano in a beach? No, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's like pirate seas. If you go to the beach, right?
Okay.
You sail across on a boat. You see an island with volcano, right?
Yeah, okay.
That's why.
Choo. Huh? What? Yeah, put a bit of tangle kelp there just in case. Homing fizzle! Homing fizzle! Guess what a homing fizzle is? It goes home. Get it?
Yeah.
A home in fizzle. It stays at home and it homes. Get it?
Yeah.
Get tangled, you little sharktronic sub. Yeah, we have the Elliot Award hack. So we know all the Zomboss' names, right? Oh no. Okay. Oh, never mind. Okay, there's so much. Okay. The Sharktronic sub is taking a while. Oh my gosh, you put a ground plant on a lily pad? Can you originally do that? Like 12. Wait, I want to help you with something.
Ew.
You're welcome. Banana! Banana!
Oh no.
Him? Are you expecting him? You don't care? About what? The Garganta?
Yup. Yar.
Banana! 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 I want your bananas! Do you have any bananas?
I don't.
Bananas.
No.
What do you do? What do you do?
Place in water.
What do you do?
I place it in water.
What do you do? Oh my gosh, you put it in just in time.
Where you going next, huh? You Dr. Zomboss.
Dr. Zomboss. Dr. Zomboss. Dr. Zomboss. Dr. Zomboss. Zomboss. I just want to kick your butt. Doors. Whatever. What? What's a butt doors? Bro! I'm gonna banana you! Banana! Banana!
Oh, hey.
Banana! Did you just hear a...
No.
No. I'm not laughing.
Tangle kelp. Wow, thanks.
When I like ya, here we go to Cafe Gotcha. Huh?
Four hangers.
For hangers? Okay, I'll be right back. Huh? What? Okay. I did it. Okay, here, you got first.
I can use two hands. One for playing and one for recording.
For hangers? Yeah. Okay. I need to clean this up first. Why is that a flimsy hanger? Okay.
Can you hold it? I can't remember.
Okay. Now you can go to modern day.
Modern day Zomboss. I'm gonna do all the modern day Zombosses.
Oh, wait. When did this video end again? The last one?
Abang,
I think it is Jurassic Marsh.
abang.
Huh?
First, I'm gonna do pirate seas.
Why? Because you can.
Yeah.
Just ancient Egypt.
Oh, it just goes random.
Oh. So you can get Wild West randomly.
Oh no, this is not good. Snapdragon, what?
It's not a good idea, you know that.
Yeah, whoever made this is boo.
Why you say boo? Maybe we should save and exit this. Let's go to the last Zomboss. The main Zomboss.
No, let's do this one first.
Okay, fine.
What's that?
But please don't do the other Zombosses. I'm not patient, okay? I'm doing fine. I'm not sick. Okay, fine. Why do you if you do all the Zombosses in modern day, how am I supposed to record this in less than 15 minutes? Tell me. Tell me.
Oh, blah.
I should make a part 4.
This is part 3.
Part 3. Yeah, this is part 3.
Part 3 in one day.
Part 3 in one day. Whoa. What is that? Oh. Is that a drill? Our father is using a drill. Wait here. I need to see what Aya is doing. You say you can get one hand for recording and another one for playing. Yes. Now can I see what Aya is doing now?
Oh, fine.
You can? Okay. Yeah. Don't go inside there. Out of order.
Oh yeah!
What?
Come into the danger room!
Your hand is blocking. I have to lift it up. I have to lift it up. Lift it up. Oh. Oh my gosh. Is that hunter's
Abang.
got
Abang.
got burned.
Abang,
Huh?
this is the end of. So, thank you. I said attacking him.
Oh wait, is it mastery?
What mastery?
Oh wait, my favorite figure is mastery. I forgot.
Win. One for the win. It just made me use what's it called? It just made me use pirate seas one.
Just?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. There's a snapdragon, the spikeweed. There's one plant that they forgot. No, the spike.
Coconut cannon.
The spike rock.
Oh yeah.
Okay, next one.
Next one. Please don't be what was. Don't.
Just cross your fingers. Cross your fingers. Oh.
Oh, I guessed it. It's far future.
Oh, so they don't go randomly because you remember the ancient Egypt Zomboss on the first one
Yeah.
of modern day? Yeah. It doesn't do it randomly. I just realized that.
It made me do with Dark Ages plans.
Dark Ages.
Don't mind if I.
It's like a crossover.
Oh,
You cannot do that.
That doesn't do anything.
Do you just heal that mushroom?
No. Oh, okay, good. Yeah.
Whoa. That was cool. Please tell me that was cool.
That was cool.
When the magnet shoe turned the bucket. You just... Oh my god. Is this a library?
No, it's not library, of course.
And then why you say shh? Why?
No, because of the that one. What?
It still has the bucket. Okay. It killed it in time. It killed it in time. Don't worry. Whoa! That's a lot.
That's a cool combo.
That's a cool combo. A combo crew.
Abang, watch this.
Boom!
No!
That's so cool. We're only on the second Zomboss. You're just taking your time. Hurry up before I take a screenshot. I'm just kidding.
Go. Yeah. Die, everybody.
Hey, don't you dare. Yes, you did.
Dairy ears.
That's a lot of mushrooms.
Oh, watch this combo.
That's crazy, yo. That's crazy, yo. I don't care about it, yo. I can tell you what it, yo.
Go. Stop. Stop playing. Stop playing. What? That's insane, bro.
Don't run. Thank you very much, sir.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, you're just taking your time. Can you please not take your time?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm taking my time.
Don't take your time. It's almost past 15 minutes.
Yeah. Don't mind if I buy one more
You know what? I'm gonna do a part 4 only for the modern day Zomboss.
Let's go.
Okay?
Wow.
And I think I remember the last one. The last one is Jurassic Mash. Wait, the last one for this one is Jurassic Mash.
Yeah.
The best way to fight. It's almost dead. It's almost dead. It is dead. It is dead.
He's dead. He's dead. Sound name Buffred.
Now you can't put it there. Whoa, that's a lot of mushrooms and mushrooms.
Yeah. That was a combo, right? Contender.
Okay, the last one is Jurassic Mash. After you beat this Jurassic Mash Zomboss, and then I'll
No, the last one is not Jurassic Marsh.
No, I mean the last one after this Zomboss. After this Far Future Zomboss, the Tomorrowtron.
Stop.
Okay.
Last one. Please don't be Wallace.
It's Jurassic Mash. Jurassic Mash. Jurassic Mash. Jurassic Mash.
It is.
Jurassic Mash. Oh,
Yeah,
you
mix
mixed
it,
it.
too.
It is random.
See, I told you. I already done this like in 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
It makes me.
This is already recording for 13 minutes. Whoa!
You can take away that.
Oh, Aya is taking the bunk bed out piece by piece. That's his stack. So big.
Sorry, I'm wasting your money.
It's okay. Just don't spend too much. Okay? Don't spend too much. You seriously dug that up?
You're not a kind Zomboss. But you do look pretty. Okay, now you look handsome.
Why is Zomboss's face there? But he's right there.
It's weird.
Sorry. Sorry. I think. Okay, fine. I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry.
Don't say
Bye.
too loud to me.
Okay. Bye. I'm gonna make a part 4. Bye.